This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode in the Facebook Messenger app. I'll be using an Apple iPhone, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. First thing you need to do is open the Messenger app, of course. I'll tap on that. Then you will go up to your icon in the upper left-hand corner and tap on that. Then right in here, dark mode. I'll tap on that. And I'm going to turn it on. Now, as you can see, dark mode has been enabled on the Messenger app. Thanks for watching.